We've built machines smarter than ourselves, but forgot how to sit with silence. We can replicate voices, generate faces, simulate nature in high definition. But when was the last time you actually felt the earth beneath your feet? We're uploading our minds and outsourcing our intuition. But no technology can replace presence. You don't need to become more optimized. You need to remember you're alive. When was the last time you were truly present? Not performing, not reacting, just being. This moment, right here. It's the only thing that's ever been real. The breath you're taking right now, that's yours. That's truth. No algorithm owns that. No society can control that. And if they can't control your breath, they can't control you. Focus is rebellion now. Presence is power. Being aware, being awake, that's the revolution. Not louder, not angrier, just clearer, just here. Everything changes when you remember who's behind your eyes. Not the noise, not the past, not the fear, not your mind. You, pure consciousness. Come back to your breath. This is where your life is happening. Not in the screen, not in the scroll, not in the story. Here, now, always.